recently were at a session of Manitowoc University, held regularly at the Manitowoc Education and Technology Center, where we took the opportunity to talk to product specialists about their equipment and the innovations in design and construction that helps operators achieve more with less operational cost.
This oven now has what we call fast bake. Fast bake allows the operator to reduce their cooking times and the temperatures dramatically on each set. We can reduce the temperature by 15 to 20 degrees. We can reduce the time by up to 30% and still make or even improve the quality of the product. We do that by changing the configuration of column-mating panels that are in the oven. These column-mating panels now are closer to the conveyor, and they have larger openings that allow more heat to come through, allowing the cooking process to be done a lot more rapidly than it was previously. This oven also has what we call Quest. Quest is an energy saving system. By a push of a button, we can stop the conveyor, slow down the fan, reduce the temperature, or leave the temperature the same in the oven, but reduce the amount of gases being burned, thereby saving energy. When the oven's on Quest, it'll reduce the amount of energy usage by up to 36%. Again, at the touch of a button, it comes back instantly. The conveyor starts again, the blower starts again, it's already at temperature, the customer's off and cooking. The secret to the Lincoln Impinger oven is in the column-mating panels. These column-mating panels allow us to change the cooking process as the product travels through the conveyor. We might start with a panel that has a reduced amount of heat on the top, more heat on the bottom. An example would be pizza. We're going to start off and let the dough rise, so I'm going to restrict the amount of air going through in these first two stages. But in the last stage, I'm going to allow more air to come through, more cooking process to come through, and I'm going to have more air on the bottom if it's in a for cooking the pizza in the pan, thereby browning the cheese and crisping the outside of a sandwich, something like that needs some more heat at the end of the cycle. But that allows us to focus the energy right on the product in the certain cooking process where it's needed. Each of these have very simple controls. The controls on this oven are just for temperature, time, plus and minus. We just set the temperature, we can increase it or decrease it. Same thing with the time. Very simple to operate the controls on the Impinger too. As an option, we can have a door. It's a half-pass door. That way, if we have an item that's going to take less cooking time, you can just put it through halfway, and by the time it comes out the other end, it'll be finished without having to go through the whole cooking cycle.
So when you're looking for perfect pizza, sandwiches, pasta, and more, precise temperature and conveyor controls, innovative digital interfaces, and energy-efficient performance, choose Lincoln, the first name in conveyor ovens.